I've been involved with the university for a very long time, and I've been a trustee since 1990, and I was chairman of the board for 10 years. And I've done a few other things along the way that somehow seem to have gotten me to this place. So I'm very honored actually to be here. I've attended in many capacities and introduced award winners for this event. And it's a lot of fun and a real honor for me to be a recipient of this award. To watch what has happened to the university during this period of time for me has just been absolutely remarkable. Every time I go to events, I'm just more impressed with what people have accomplished. And I think the Alumni Award of Merit is one of the dimensions of the university that ends up recognizing people who aren't always visible. I was one of the more visible people because of the trustee role and the chair role, but awful lot of alumni have contributed enormous amounts, and this Award of Merit is one of the ways to recognize that. So I'm in awful good company. It's a nice family to be part of, and I'm looking forward to being part of it.
Our class has always been very unique. We have a movie that started our senior year, and we have added footage to that movie every 5 years. So it's like the documentary 7 Up. And we have footage of people from the time they were 18 all the way through to now they're 47 years old. We also have events that happen every one of our reunions. We have the gospel choir comes back and comes together. We have just many people flying from all over the world. We had classmates who came in from Cairo, from Singapore, from Mumbai. And we also have a very diverse reunion committee. We have people from all walks of Penn life, as well as all races, all sexual orientations, and it's just really a great group of people. We love being together, and we broke the record by 100 people. We had 790 people came to our reunion. I love the Alumni Award of Merit Gala because it brings together people from various generations of Penn. You end up meeting people that you didn't know before, and you really find out how much people love Penn, because people who are getting the awards, when they read the citations on stage, or at least parts of them, you really see that people have been involved with Penn for years and years and years, and also it inspires you to think about different things that you love about Penn that maybe you weren't really exploring before. And one of the things I've been able to do is introduce and be the person who nominates someone else for one of these awards. And one of my classmates won the Young Alumni Award of Merit, so I was very proud to be the person that introduced him to the crowd, and I hope to be able to have that opportunity many more times in the future. So I'll be up here as an introducer rather than winning myself.
I am truly blessed to have, number one, my son is the voice of Franklin Field after me, and my daughter, who is my son's spotter. I am especially appreciative of my granddaughter, Megan Chapman, is a member of the class of College 18. The value of the money that I gave Penn is modest. And honestly, my experience was as fulfilling and as broad as you can imagine. I have to give my thanks especially to Amy Gutman, because she, as the president of the university, at the time that our class of 1956 trolley had been vetoed, she was the one who resurrected the whole thing and told the university architect, said, get this plan going. And now at 37th and Spruce Street, if you visit the campus, you'll see a replica of the trolleys that used to traverse the university. It was the class of 1956 that suffered through having those trolleys dug and put underground, and we honored it with a replica at 37th and Spruce Street. So you should visit it and read the history of trolleys on the campus.